Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Notion templates for project tracking and daily planning. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Notion application or website. Navigate to the workspace where you want to set up your templates. Click on the sidebar to find your pages. Select the page where you want to track projects or daily tasks. In the top right corner, click on the Templates button. This will open the template gallery. Scroll through the available templates or use the search bar. Look for project tracking or daily planning templates. Once you find a suitable template, click on it to view details. Review the template to ensure it fits your needs. When satisfied, click the Use this template button. The template will now be added to your workspace. You can customize the template to fit your unique style. Modify sections, change headings, and add specific tasks as needed. To add a new task or project, click on the empty fields. Fill in the details for each new entry. Consider setting reminders or deadlines for tasks. Utilize the calendar or timeline features for better organization. Experiment with different views to find what works best for you. Remember to save your changes as you customize. Your project tracking and daily planning template is now ready for use. Start tracking your projects and planning your day efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.